It's a stereotype we're all familiar with. Engineers as technical geeks with an overwhelming passion for pocket protectors and a scientific calculator where their heart should be. But this is MKEC Engineering Consultants, one of Wichita's most successful engineering firms. Here, engineering isn't just about water lines, bridges, or petrochemical facilities. It's about what talented people can do when they work together to make the world a better place by giving it better places. It's been that way ever since Ken Bankson started the company almost 30 years ago.
In 1982, economic times were not that different than today. They were tough. I think one of the key items that I wanted to have as part of this business was the care for the people, care for the employees, as well as obviously care for the clients.
Starting with a staff of 4 engineers, MKEC began practicing their uncommonly civil form of civil engineering, working with the city of Wichita and area developers. Through the years, the scope of MKEC's services constantly expanded, embracing mechanical, electrical, and structural engineering for buildings and facilities, transportation infrastructure for cities and states, complete process operating systems for industrial plants, and the full range of land development services from surveying to land planning and landscape architecture. Along the way, MKEC's team was developing a special affinity for listening to their clients and designing solutions that exceed expectations.
We started using MKEC in the early 80s for our first project, which was tallgrass development. Since then, they've helped us with many projects. Just to name a few would be Lake Point, Wilson Estates, and Cornerstone.
MKEC will come in there and they'll work with our ideas and our plans, how to make the development more like a neighborhood and less like an engineered project. They'll make it feel like home.
We look at MKEC as a resource to help us solve problems, and they understand our business model, they understand what we're looking for and how to solve those problems, and they try and provide that. And I think that's what makes the relationship work, because they're looking out for our best interests.
Now licensed in 42 states, MKEC has grown to more than 165 employees, with offices in Overland Park and Oklahoma City. In a constantly evolving field, they are continuously updating their technological capabilities. Today, MKEC designers utilize GPS surveying and 3D modeling technology. This includes the latest in building information management systems for detailing design features in 3D and producing automated smart schedules.
We have people who really enjoy what they're doing, as well as the creative problem solvers.
Although their projects often find them working in 15 to 20 states at a time, the fruits of the firm's labors are evident throughout Wichita as well. From the waterfront to Exploration Place, Flint Hills National to the campus of Wichita State University, transformations are taking place right here at home, fashioned by the gifted engineers and designers at MKEC. And then there is the human landscape across which MKEC has engineered their civic-minded civility, reaching out to support and advance the quality of life for so many in our community, but with an especially keen interest in helping the least of these through organizations like the Lord's Diner, Habitat for Humanity, the Boys and Girls Club, and the YMCA.
Once you develop that caring atmosphere within the office, that extends into the community. And I think that's what's happened with our people, our employees. They care about this community and want to reach out to it and help it.
One place that is near and dear to the hearts of the people of MKEC is Minnehaha Core Knowledge Elementary School. In 2000, the company approached the school with the question, what can we do? Year after year since then, Ken Bankson and his employees have made it their mission to provide mentoring and tutoring support, along with a cash reserve for emergency needs.
There really are no boundaries to what MKEC does for us. They provide Christmas presents, dinner, they mentor, they tutor, they provide clothing, scholarships so that the kids can go on activities and field trips. So their kindness, their generosity is unsurpassed. How could we ever say thank you enough?
For those who would say engineering is nothing more than a dry mathematical exercise of mind over matter, MKEC serves as proof positive that it can be so much more. It can, in fact, be a direct expression of a heartfelt desire to serve others, to create environments that are both inspiring and stimulating to the human spirit, to design the structure of a brighter future, and then help others to give it form.